Today, we're diving into something big. We're talking about how artificial intelligence is, well, it's completely changing the game for music, how it's made, how we hear it, and maybe even how we feel it.
Okay, so picture this. You're just chilling on your couch, no guitar, no keyboard, no fancy studio, just an idea for a song kicking around in your head. What if I told you that you could turn that idea into a global hit, right then and there? Sounds like something out of a movie, right? Total science fiction.
Well, guess what? It's not science fiction. Not anymore. It is already happening. I'm talking about those viral songs you can't escape on TikTok, or those AI-generated vocals that sound exactly like your favorite singer. This isn't the future of music, it's the now.
So that's the big question, isn't it? How on earth does a machine make music? Let's get into it and break down what this whole new creative process actually looks like.
And you really can't overstate how massive this shift is. For like ever, making music meant shelling out for expensive studios, wrestling with super complex software, and putting in years and years of practice. The old way. Now, the new way is just a text prompt. It takes literally seconds.
Okay, but how? How does a few words of text magically turn into a whole song? Let's pull back the curtain and see how this thing actually works.
This is all thanks to a new wave of platforms you might have heard of, names like Udio, Suno, and Magenta. You can think of them as the engines driving this whole thing, making it possible for pretty much anyone to become a music creator. You don't need any technical skill at all.
And the process itself is, well, it's almost ridiculously simple. You start by typing a prompt, something like a sad acoustic song about rain. Then you pick your style, the vibe, the genre. You can even set the BPM. You click generate and bam, the AI just spits out a full track. Seriously, that's it. So the fancy term for all this is generative AI music. And it's really important to get this. We're not just talking about an AI that can come up with a catchy little melody. No, these systems can pretty much handle the entire shebang from start to finish.
So what does that mean? Well, besides just creating the tune, AI can master the final track to give it that professional, polished sound. It can pull vocals out of a busy mix, which is amazing. It can even suggest lyrics for you based on what's trending right now. It's kind of wild.
But, and you knew there was a but coming, all of this incredible tech opens up a massive debate. A huge one. It's basically a showdown between human soul and computer silicon.
And this really gets to the core of it all, doesn't it? I mean, if an algorithm can cook up a whole symphony in a matter of seconds, is that art? Can we really say it has the same weight, the same value as a piece of music that came from real human struggle or joy?
And that one question just throws us right into this super messy gray area. You've got the legal side, right? Copyright. Who owns a song made by an AI? Especially when that AI learned by listening to millions of songs by human artists. And then you have the philosophical side, the question of soul. Can a machine really capture the genuine heartbreak you feel in a sad song?
So you've basically got two camps. On one side, you have the skeptics. They're worried this is the death of creativity, that AI is just a fancy parrot mimicking legendary voices without any real emotion behind it. But then you have the optimists, and they see it as the ultimate creative tool, like a brand new instrument that just needs to be mastered, one that opens up music creation to literally everyone.
And that optimist view leads to this really powerful analogy I've been hearing. People are calling AI the electric guitar of the 21st century. And just think about that for a second. When the electric guitar showed up, it turned the music world upside down. It didn't get rid of musicians, right? It just gave them an incredible, revolutionary new tool to express themselves. So the question is AI that same kind of game changer?
So after hearing all that, the debate really lands right at your feet. It's your turn to judge, whether you're a listener, a creator, or both.
Because look, whether you love this idea or you hate it, one thing's for sure, this technology isn't going anywhere. And the simple, kind of crazy reality is that the next song that gets totally stuck in your head, yeah, it might have been written by an algorithm.
So where do you land on this? Is this the future of music? An exciting new frontier for creativity? Or is it all just a really, really good, but ultimately soulless copycat? What do you think? The conversation is just getting started.